Hello traders, automatic buy sell signal generator. In this chart automatically you will receive calls like signals. Today we are receiving a sell call at 11:30 am during this April 21st market in Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. Daily basis on 1 minute chart it will analyze the market movement and generate calls in live market. Daily we are uploading videos also. Today a sell call generated, so red color candle open. Whenever market trend changes, you will get calls like this in live market. Today sell call generated, so red color candle open. Sell at 42,213, that is our entry point line. Below our first target, second target line, above line is the stop loss line. It's a 105 point first target and 200 point second target. Every day automatically it will analyze the market movement and generate calls in live market. According to the market trend, the candle color also will change. Just watch and get your orders. After 1 hour of sell call generated, it successfully started to break out the first target range of 42,100 range, and a 100 point movement has been given in 1 hour market movement. During this 1 hour, it's a pure sideways market, very low level of market movement. Even though it's a sideways market, market successfully break out the first target. If you want this chart, if you want to subscribe for this chart, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We will provide you the plan detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.